Hi, Michael Nicole again here from Cabo for Sale. Some great news to throw at you guys here that besides the progress that we've done here at Morgan Residential, I've got something to offer you. Developer financing. Truly, one of the things we've been lacking here is some developer financing. We're looking at 3 to 5 years, 50% down. Let me show you the rest of this property here. That this is a great deck that's up here that's going to be available to all the owners. It's a his and hers bathroom. There'll be tables and chairs, umbrellas that'll be right up here. And you can tell by the view that we have, oh my goodness, if you're afraid of heights, this is not a place for you then. This is one of our 2-bedroom units here that is almost done. This is going to have a great view here, of course, and it's going to walk right out to our sun deck. That's going to have the barbecues, the fire pits, the umbrellas, the terraces. This will be, well, I think one of the nicest units here. This is priced at $169. It's unit 342. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This will have a center island that's right here, and of course the kitchen cabinets that are right there. The bedrooms each on each side. Now remember, air conditioners come with the purchase price, as well as a stovetop. Now again, going back to financing, developer financing, 50% down, 3 to 5 years to pay back. Come take a look. Here is another great unit that's still available. This is a 1-bedroom, 1.5-bath, 750 square feet. This is priced at $109,000. Washer dryer hookup. This one will too have a center island, as well as the cabinetry that go there. As you can tell, this is a huge 1-bedroom that will walk out to the sun deck here as well too. Tempered glass doors are going on all the showers and bathrooms, and spectacular views. Again, if you're afraid of heights, this is probably not a unit for you.